If Bluetooth is not working on iOS 18, here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix that problem. First of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to swipe down to the control center, and then make sure that you shut down the Wi-Fi, or sorry, turn on the airplane mode, and then reopen it again, and the Bluetooth will be turned on automatically. Right now, if you're still facing that same issue, go ahead to the main settings, right, and then just go ahead to the general, and then we're gonna just go ahead to transfer reset iPhone, click reset, and we're gonna reset all settings, and that should fix your problem. In Bluetooth settings, tap the the account or info icon next to the device and select forget this device and reconnect, and then make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version by going to the software update, right, and make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version, right. And then what we're gonna do next, if that didn't work out, just scroll up with that to transfer reset iPhone, click reset, and we're gonna reset the network settings. Probably the problem came from there, somewhere along the lines you made a mistake and you want to reset the settings to the standard, and then you're gonna be able to modify it in your own time. Okay, and make sure that the airplane mode is off, and as we said, just turn it on and shut it down so the Bluetooth can be open automatically, and ensure that device that you are trying to connect is compatible and charged. And if none of the above works, there may be a hardware issue. Try these steps in order until you find a solution. So that's been on the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.